Nice and lovely, guys. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. Today I want to make you a lovely drink, and this drink is going to be amazing. You guys can have this at home for breakfast in the morning or for lunch, whenever you like to have it. So please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo, and a lot more recipes there for you guys. So tell me, what do you think about my beautiful drink here? Stay nice and beautiful, guys. Anyway, so basically, as I said before, it's a very unique drink which I'm going to make you guys today. First of all, I have some spinach, roughly one handful of spinach. I'm gonna put that straight in the blender. Over here I have some black grapes. You can get grapes anywhere to buy. I'm gonna put that straight inside of it. And also we're going to put a nice lovely fat chunk of piece of a ginger inside of it, just like that. Next we have some lemon, and you can use lime. It doesn't matter, whatever you want to use, you can use it. Also we have some cucumber. I'm gonna put some cucumber inside of it. We have some pear, because pear definitely will get a lovely smooth out, you know. And also we have a green apple. Nice and lovely. We got lemon and all them things, but we're not gonna put down more inside of it. Just gonna put a little bit of apple cider vinegar inside of it. I got some organic honey. We're gonna put some organic honey inside of it. Alright. Let's put a teaspoon and a little bit of water. Not much. Tiny bit of water. Blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. We are good to go. Well, that was a good blend. Alright, that is lovely and nice. Now, once you blend your drink like this, you have to serve it. You know what I mean? Beautiful and nice. Look at that. And fantastic. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas and a lot more things. A little bit of split in it, but to be honest, it's pretty good to go. Alright, so hopefully you will like this one, and please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Don't forget, click on the notification bell and get the latest update from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please stay tuned and don't go anywhere and watch more video. See you next time in the kitchen.